Welcome back to Parivish World, where every journey tells a story. Today, I'm taking you to one of the most magical places in Istanbul, the Grand Bazaar. Get ready to walk through history, explore colorful shops, and feel the vibrant heartbeat of this iconic market. The Grand Bazaar, known as Kapalıçarşı in Turkish, is a true gem of Istanbul. It was built in the 15th century, shortly after the Ottoman conquest of Constantinople. With more than 4,000 shops spread across 60 streets, it feels like a small city within the city. The beautiful architecture, arched ceilings, and vibrant atmosphere make every corner worth exploring. As you walk through the bazaar, you'll see shops filled with colorful carpets, shining lamps, fragrant spices, delicate jewelry, and, of course, delicious Turkish delights. Each shop has its own story, and the shopkeepers are always welcoming. Bargaining here is a tradition, so don't be shy. Join in the fun and try to get the best price.
Don't break my heart. Please try for you.
A little tip for you. It's easy to get lost in the maze of shops, but that's part of the adventure. Take your time, enjoy the walk, and discover hidden gems. When you feel tired, stop by one of the cozy cafés inside the bazaar. Sip on some hot Turkish tea or coffee while enjoying the lively surroundings. It's a perfect break from shopping. So, that was a little tour of the Grand Bazaar. It's a place where history, culture, and shopping come together. Have you ever visited the Grand Bazaar? Share your experience in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Parivish World. I'll see you in the next adventure. Until then, take care and keep exploring.
Bu akşam